Wait a minute, you're thinking about opening a bank account. Maybe you've heard about this online bank called Ally, and a nagging question pops into your head. Can I actually walk into an Ally bank? That's a smart question to ask. In a world where so much of our financial lives happens online, the comfort of knowing there's a physical place you can go can still be really important. Whether it's to handle a complex issue, deposit a large amount of cash, or just talk to a human face-to-face, physical bank branches offer a sense of security and accessibility that can be hard to replicate entirely online. Think about it. Maybe you're used to the traditional banking model. You see a branch on the corner, you know where to go if you need help. Or perhaps you've had experiences with online-only services where getting personalized support felt like navigating a maze of emails and phone calls. So, naturally, when a seemingly popular online bank like Ally comes up, the question of physical locations is a big one. It's about understanding the full picture of how you'll manage your money and interact with your bank. Before we dive into the specifics of Ally Bank, let's take a step back and consider why this question even matters in today's banking landscape. For generations, physical branches were the cornerstone of banking. They were community hubs, places where you knew the tellers by name, and where significant financial decisions often took place across a sturdy oak desk. The rise of the internet and mobile technology has undeniably transformed how we bank. Online and mobile banking offer incredible convenience. You can check your balance at 3 a.m. in your pajamas, transfer funds with a few taps on your phone, and even deposit checks without leaving your couch. This shift has led to the emergence of online-only banks like Ally, which often boast competitive interest rates and lower fees due to their reduced overhead costs. However, this digital revolution hasn't completely erased the need or desire for physical interaction. Consider these scenarios. Complex transactions. What if you need to handle something beyond a simple deposit or withdrawal? Applying for a mortgage, setting up a trust, or resolving a complicated account issue can often feel more reassuring when discussed in person with a bank representative. Cash handling. While digital payments are increasingly common, cash still plays a significant role in many people's lives. Depositing large sums of cash or obtaining it quickly can be challenging with a purely online institution. Personal connection and trust. For some, building a relationship with their bank is important. Knowing there's a local branch and familiar faces can foster a sense of trust and security. It's about more than just transactions, it's about having a financial partner you feel connected to. Technical difficulties. What happens if you're having trouble accessing your online account? A physical branch provides a backup option for getting assistance. Peace of mind. Simply knowing there's a physical location you could visit, even if you rarely do, can offer a sense of security and reassurance. So, with this context in mind, let's circle back to our main question. Does Ally Bank have physical locations? The short and direct answer is no. Ally Bank does not operate traditional physical bank branches open to the public for everyday transactions. Ally Bank is primarily an online-only bank. This is a core part of their business model, allowing them to save on the costs associated with maintaining a large network of physical branches. These cost savings are often passed on to their customers in the form of higher interest rates on savings accounts and lower fees compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Now, while they don't have traditional branches, it's important to understand the nuances of how Ally operates and how you can still access their services and get support. It's not as if you're completely cut off from any physical interaction or assistance. Here's a breakdown of how Ally Bank handles customer interaction and some key points to consider. Online and mobile platforms. Ally's primary interface is through their website and highly rated mobile app. These platforms allow you to perform the vast majority of banking tasks, including checking balances, transferring funds, paying bills, depositing checks remotely via mobile deposit, and managing your investments. They invest heavily in their digital infrastructure to ensure a user-friendly and secure experience. 24/7 customer service. Ally places a strong emphasis on their customer service. They offer 24/7 support via phone, email, and online chat. This means you can get help whenever you need it, regardless of the time of day. Many users report positive experiences with their responsiveness and helpfulness. Think of this as their virtual branch, always open and accessible. ATM network. While Ally doesn't have its own ATMs, they offer a significant benefit: free access to the Allpoint ATM network. This network comprises tens of thousands of ATMs across the United States, located in various retail locations like pharmacies and convenience stores. Ally Bank reimburses ATM fees charged by out-of-network ATMs up to a certain limit per statement cycle. It's always a good idea to check their current fee policy on their website. This provides a convenient way to withdraw cash without incurring extra charges. Limited physical presence. Corporate offices. Ally Financial Incorporated, the parent company of Ally Bank, does have corporate offices. However, these locations are not designed for public banking transactions. They are administrative centers for their operations. You cannot walk into a corporate office to open an account, deposit a check, or withdraw cash. So, to reiterate, if you're looking for a bank where you can walk into a branch on your lunch break to make a deposit, Ally Bank isn't it. Their model is built around the efficiency and convenience of online and mobile banking, supplemented by a robust customer service system and access to a large ATM network. Now, let's delve a little deeper into the pros and cons of this online-only model, specifically in the context of Ally Bank. Pros of Ally Bank's online-only model. Competitive interest rates. As mentioned earlier, the lack of physical branches significantly reduces overhead costs. Ally often passes these savings on to customers in the form of higher interest rates on savings accounts, money market accounts, and certificates of deposit, CDs. This can help your money grow faster compared to traditional banks with lower interest rates. Lower fees. Online banks generally have fewer and lower fees compared to brick-and-mortar banks. Ally is known for having no monthly maintenance fees on their checking and savings accounts, no minimum balance requirements in many cases, and often lower fees for other services. Convenience and accessibility. Banking online or through a mobile app offers unparalleled convenience. You can manage your finances from anywhere, at any time, as long as you have an internet connection. This is particularly appealing for those with busy schedules or who prefer the ease of digital transactions. User-friendly platform. Ally Bank has invested significantly in creating a user-friendly and intuitive online and mobile banking experience. Their website and app are generally well-designed and easy to navigate, making it simple to manage your accounts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.